Appeals by Amber Heard $10 defamation suit against Johnny Depp loses. Amber Heard is appealing the $10.35 million judgment she received in the dueling defamation case trial against her ex-husband, Johnny Depp, the Pirates of the Caribbean actor and renowned wine enthusiast, which she largely lost. According to Deadline, Heard's new lawyers J. Ward Brown and David Axelrod of Ballard Spahr LLP in Washington, D.C., warned of a chilling effect for women who wish to confront strong males who abuse them. As is already widely known, Depp sued Heard for $50 million in rural Fairfax County, Virginia, for a 2018 op-ed she wrote in which she accused him of abuse. Heard retaliated by suing Depp for defamation for $100 million, essentially arguing that he called her a liar for bringing the accusations, which constituted defamation. Heard's attorneys contend in the November 23 appeal that the case ought to have been dismissed before it even got off the ground since Depp filed his lawsuit in the wrong jurisdiction because they were both residing in Los Angeles at the time of the controversy. Heard's new legal team argued that the trial court erroneously declined to dismiss the case on the grounds that Depp's allegations originated in Virginia because the Washington Post's servers are there. The lawyers also claimed that Heard's First Amendment rights were violated by the jury's verdict. The decision by the trial court to reject Heard's demur, in which she claimed that the contested remarks are unactionable expressions of opinion and are not reasonably capable of conveying the alleged defamatory inference, was erroneous. If that holding is allowed to stand, more women who want to talk about abuse involving powerful men will definitely feel intimidated. She owes a $10.35 judgment, and Heard & Co. are requesting that it be overturned or, if necessary, that she be given a fresh trial. The defense attorneys go on to chastise the judge, saying, this case also should never have gone to trial because another court had already found that Depp had assaulted Heard numerous times. Additionally, after Depp filed this complaint, the United Kingdom High Court of Justice found Heard's abuse allegations to be accurate in a separate defamation action launched by Depp. If that holding is allowed to stand, more women who want to talk about abuse involving powerful men will definitely feel intimidated. She owes a $10.35 judgment, and Heard & Co. are requesting that it be overturned or, if necessary, that she be given a fresh trial. The defense attorneys go on to chastise the judge, saying, this case also should never have gone to trial because another court had already found that Depp had assaulted Heard numerous times. Additionally, after Depp filed this complaint, the United Kingdom High Court of Justice found Heard's abuse allegations to be accurate in a separate defamation action launched by Depp. This is a reference to the unsuccessful libel case Depp filed against Rupert Murdoch's tabloid The Sun in 2018 after the publication called him a wife-beater. The Drive Angry actress legal team writes in their brief that the trial court should have given preclusive effect to that 129-page ruling, which followed a 3-week trial at which Depp, Heard, and 24 other witnesses testified. Depp filed an appeal last month, claiming that the $2 million judgment handed down to Heard during the trial was erroneous. The ruling in Heard's favor relates to the so-called Waldman statements, a string of statements made by Depp's former attorney Adam Walkman after Heard wrote that WAPO opus ed identifying herself as a victim of domestic abuse. Waldman referred to Heard's claims as abuse fake in an ambush that Heard and her pals had plotted. Waldman wasn't operating with actual malice, according to Depp's attorneys, but honestly, who is?